Hi everybody and welcome. The purpose of today's video is to give you two examples that are just like what you're seeing on your practice questions here, just with slightly different numbers. So we're going to go over the two different types of things we're solving for today, which are the distance and the midpoint. And we are specifically going to look at the two ordered pairs below. So the first thing that we want to do to start off is label our x1, our y1, our x2, and our y2. And we're going to use these to plug into our formulas. So a reminder, our distance formula is going to use x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So what we're going to do is just copy directly down from above all of these points. So x2 above is 9, x1 above is 3. y2 above is 16, y1 above is 8. And from here, we follow our order of operations, PEMDAS, to make sure that we're doing this in the correct order. So parentheses always come first. So 9 minus 3 gets us 6, and 16 minus 8 gets us 8. After we do parentheses, we can transition to our next step, which is exponents. So 6 to the second power is 36, and 8 to the second power is 64. All of the things that I'm doing right now, you can definitely, and you should definitely punch into your calculator. By no means am I expecting you to memorize these calculations. Use the calculator. It's going to be there for you both today and on the state test. Lastly, we can finish up what's inside of our square root here. Put together 36 and 64 to get 100. Take our square root of 100, and our final distance is equal to 10. So that is our example of how we solve for the distance. Now, on the other side here, we have to solve for the midpoint. So our midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 all over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 all over 2. And I realize I should put this plus a little bit higher up here. So working through this, we're just plugging in our same numbers here, so we know that x1 is 3 and x2 is 9. And y1 is 8, and y2 is 16. So from here, we evaluate our top first. So we're going to do 3 plus 9 for our first one to get 12, still over 2. Our second one, 8 plus 16, which is 24, still over 2. And then now we can do straight up and straight down our division. So 12 divided by 2 to get us a final answer of 6. And 24 divided by 2 to get us a final answer of 12. So 6 comma 12 is our midpoint. So hopefully walking through those steps helps you. Big idea for today, as long as you have that formula down correct and you plug in the right spots, it's just a bunch of calculator plugging in and solving. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.